see what is the mat and coincident points. So let's first select assembly. Okay. Now we will browse our one part. Choose nut. Select OK. Now we will do one thing. We will just first assign this positioning or origin point for this. The first body, always what we selected is fixed. Just right click, select here float. If you want to make mat with first part, you need to first make the body float. If it is fixed, it will not move. Now choose, select view, select origin point. Now see, this is the assembly origin point and this is the origin point of this nut. So now we want to fix this nut with this origin point. So how we will do? So there is a one option, click mat. In mat there are many options. There are three types of mat. Standard mats, there are many points: coincident, parallel, perpendicular, tangent, concentric, and distance, then angle. Then there is one advanced mat. In advanced mat you can do many things. We will see in our coming tutorials. Then the third one is most advanced mechanical mat. In this you can fix the cam, gear, hinge, rack and pinion, screw motions, everything you can do it here. So these are the three important mats in Solidworks. So first we will see coincident. Select coincident, and this is the window where you have to select the mats. So now we will select this origin point of this nut and origin point of assembly. Now see, it is automatically shifted. Select OK. Here select OK. Now see, front plane, top plane, right plane. Now our part in origin point. So this is called the inserting mat in any parts, and we will see another all the mats in our coming lecture. I hope you enjoy.